When working with a limited income, your money faces immense friction. Before you even begin saving, hidden costs are leaking out of your accounts. Survival on a small salary relies on behavioral discipline, but building wealth requires structural efficiency. Extreme budgeting alone eventually results in exhaustion. This guide provides the fix. By the end of this video, you will have built an automated wealth-building system that operates in the background of your daily life. To start, gather your monthly bills, a list of your current debts, and a laptop. Overcoming an income barrier requires an architectural framework that weaponizes every available dollar for your growth. Step 1 is the elimination of banking fees. Overdraft charges and monthly maintenance fees drain billions of dollars from low-income earners annually, acting as a massive roadblock to asset building. Use the Bank On directory to find a certified account. These accounts are required to have no overdraft fees and minimal to zero maintenance costs, ensuring you keep every dollar you earn. Next, apply zero-based budgeting to this account. This ensures every dollar is assigned a specific job the moment your paycheck arrives. This comparison shows the difference. A traditional budget leaves leftover cash vulnerable to leakage, while a sealed zero-based budget directs all output toward your specific goals with zero waste. A zero-fee foundation is mandatory. It ensures that when you save a dollar, that capital is actually retained for the wealth-building process. We create an investable margin by activating shadow capital. Social safety net programs serve as a mechanism to generate savings within an otherwise tight budget. Target specific subsidies to offset your fixed costs. Programs like LIHEAP for energy, SNAP for food, and the ACP for internet. This diagram illustrates the core mechanism. When a program reduces a $150 utility bill to $50, you immediately schedule an automatic bank transfer to reroute that $100 difference into a high-yield savings account. If you leave that money in your checking account, lifestyle expenses will eventually consume it. The transfer must be automated to be effective. When managed systematically, these government safety nets provide the seed capital required to start a compounding investment system. High-interest debt is a regressive tax on your future earnings. It must be neutralized before the compounding process can take full effect. Phase 1 is the snowball method. Pay off your smallest balance first to secure momentum and free up a monthly payment. Then pivot to the avalanche method. Redirect your freed-up cash flow to attack the debt with the highest interest rate. Spreading extra payments evenly across all debts is a costly error. This approach prolongs the lifespan of high-interest loans, allowing interest to bleed your capital for months longer than necessary. Neutralizing debt acts as a guaranteed return investment, permanently releasing monthly cash flow for future asset acquisition. Now we move to offense. Micro-investing platforms allow you to start buying fractional shares with an automated payday transfer as small as $5. On small balances, management fees can erase your progress. Use zero-expense index funds, such as Fidelity's FCROX, which charge no management fees. Schedule an automated recurring transfer, like the one shown here. This removes emotional decision-making and ensures your portfolio grows without requiring daily oversight. You can accelerate this with the Federal Savers Credit. This breakdown shows how a contribution to your retirement account can trigger a government tax credit worth up to 50% of the amount you saved. Pairing zero-fee funds with federal tax credits ensures the market's momentum works exclusively for you, rather than the brokerage. Even the most efficient budget eventually hits a mathematical floor. Building significant wealth requires you to raise your income ceiling. One acceleration option is a zero startup cost side hustle. Virtual assistants or digital content management leverages your existing skills without requiring initial capital. Another option is pursuing high ROI technical certifications. These credentials can directly and significantly increase your earning potential in a matter of months. Federal education tax credits, like the American Opportunity Tax Credit, can often be used to completely subsidize the cost of this upscaling. Human capital optimization is the ultimate accelerator, providing the fuel your wealth-building machine needs to scale. Review the complete architecture. You are eliminating bank fees, weaponizing subsidies, neutralizing high-interest debt, and automating zero-fee investments. The financial leakage that once drained your paycheck has been replaced by an automated engine for building capital. Your immediate next step is to use the resources below to open a fee-free Bank On account and initiate your first transfer. Wealth is built by small, frictionless actions, executed with relentless consistency. Stick to the system.